I have found not one, but 7 different money-making methods that pay you up to $30 per hour. That's over $5,000 a month on a 40-hour work week. From language teaching to channel operating, there's something for everyone. If you want to increase your monthly pay significantly without having to build up extensive skills, watch the video till the end. Without further delay, let's dive right in. Language tutoring. The first method I'm going to share with you that can make you up to $30 an hour is language tutoring. If you are really good at a language and there is high demand for it, you can make a lot of money teaching it to others. A platform that you should definitely check out for language tutoring work is Preply. Preply is a website that lets people book sessions with tutors to learn a language. You can apply to be a tutor on Preply by clicking the Become a Tutor button in the top left. Then, create a profile and set your own hourly rate. You can also apply for different job listings from learners directly. Some languages pay more compared to others, but generally, you can expect to get between $20 to $35 an hour. Some learners are even willing to pay over $40 for a good teacher. My advice is that you do some lower-paying jobs when starting out to build your portfolio at Preply. Then, you can start applying for higher-paying jobs once you have good reviews on your profile. Freelance on online job boards. The next method for making $30 an hour that I'll share with you is through online job boards. Online job boards are platforms where you can post your services, and clients will hire you for specific tasks. The service you offer can be anything. Say it be a video editor, voiceover artist, virtual assistant, writer, or whatever else you specialize in. As long as you are good at what you are offering, clients will certainly hire you. Now, if you are thinking that this method is only for highly skilled individuals, you might be wrong. There are many types of services you can offer that any beginner can do. For instance, social media managers and customer service specialists are freelance jobs that have a very low barrier to entry, and anyone with basic knowledge can do these. 2 of the most popular online job boards you should try are Fiverr and Upwork. On both of these platforms, you can set your own rate for your services, and once you have built up a portfolio, you can begin earning way over $30 an hour. Other than that, you can also look for remote positions on LinkedIn. Help train AIs. Another money-making source that you can try is Clickworker. Clickworker is a website for people to train their AIs. Now, while some of this training is automated, there is still a need for actual people to go in and train the AI. That is where you come in. Clickworker pays you for doing tasks that help train AI. These tasks are super simple. You can fill out surveys, make video recordings, write out text, take photos, research stuff, and test out apps. Basic stuff that anyone can do, all the while making money. Once you sign up on clickworker.com as a worker, you will have a pool of tasks available to you. Then, just pick the task you want and begin earning. If you want to make $30 an hour with Clickworker, focus on the highest paying tasks available to you. By focusing on higher paying tasks, you can maximize your earnings. If you have enjoyed the video so far, please drop a like to show your support. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more future content like this. Let's get back to it. Writing gigs. Next, we have Rev.com. This website lets you make over $30 an hour just by typing out what you hear. So, the barrier to entry is very low. Rev.com allows writers to do 3 types of jobs: translating subtitles, closed caption writing, and transcription work. Translating subtitles for videos pays the most. It can pay up to $3 for every minute of the recording you work with. So if you know more than 2 languages, this is the way to go. You can simply translate the subtitles for a video into the language you know and get those bucks. But if you don't, then closed caption and transcription gigs pay up to $1 per audio minute. That is quite enough for you to make $30 an hour if you can do 30 minutes of transcription or closed caption writing in an hour. You could even use AI services to do the initial transcription and then proofread the result to make sure the end result is perfect. Content writing. Stepping up a bit from doing writing gigs, you can start doing content writing to make $30 an hour. Every company needs content written in the form of blog posts, scripts, articles, and website page text. So if you have good writing skills, you can monetize them using platforms such as Fiverr and Upwork. These platforms have a huge customer base for content writing work that you can benefit from. While new content writers have to start out small, experienced writers charge $100 or more for 1,000 words. So if you can write 1,000 words in 2 hours, you will be making way more, around $50 an hour. Website testing. UserTesting.com is a website that pays you to test out new websites to ensure they work as intended. Website testing involves using the website for a while and then answering some questions about it for money. Sometimes you also have to provide recordings of you testing the website. User Testing offers tons of website testing jobs on its platform. Once you sign up on UserTesting.com, you will get a list of available jobs that you qualify for. Each job has its pay and test time stated clearly, so you can pick the tests that pay the best. Since most tests usually last just a few minutes, you can complete a lot of them in an hour. And since these gigs usually pay over $3, you can make $30 or more just by doing 11 tests in an hour. Channel operator. Well done for getting this far. You are a true online miner. The last online money-making method I have for you is becoming a channel operator. A channel operator makes YouTube channels and manages them. You can make multiple faceless channels or stick to just one. The important thing is that you upload quality videos regularly. Then, once your channel starts getting good views, you will earn money from YouTube's ad revenue. You can also make extra money from affiliate marketing on YouTube or direct donations. The best part is that this money-making method has a lot of potential. If your channel takes off, you can make thousands or hundreds of thousands of dollars a month. Plus, once you upload a video, you will be making money off of it as long as it is still up and getting views. Want to learn more about how you, too, can become a channel operator? Let me know in the comment section below, and I will make a video just about it. And if you like this video, why don't you also check out 7 passive income ideas, a video that will detail how you could be making more than $50,000. I believe you'll get to learn a lot more.